Japanese egg salad sandwich. Ikimashou! What's up, Hangry people? I'm Gen Sato, and welcome back to another episode. Today on Hangry, we're going to be making Japanese egg salad sandwiches. So what's so special about a Japanese egg salad sandwich, you might be asking? Well, there are three things that I think set them aside. Number one, Japanese milk bread. Japanese milk bread is kind of like the best American white bread you've possibly ever had, only it's better because it's Japanese. Boom, in your face, American white bread, in your face! Go back and check out our video on how to make milk bread. Number two, Japanese eggs. Japanese eggs are of a superior quality. Here in the States, try and find the best quality eggs you could possibly get. I'm using Vital Farms eggs today. I think they're probably the best thing I've ever found in the United States. Don't use those crappy American eggs, because they suck. Boom, in your face, American eggs, in your face! Number three, Japanese mayo. So Japanese mayo is creamier and richer than American mayo. Also, it has a little bit of MSG in it for that certain je ne sais quoi. Also, it's just better because it's Japanese.
Boom, in your face, American mayonnaise, in your face!
Alright, let's cook!
Add 7 eggs to already boiling water. After 7 minutes, remove one of the eggs and put them into an ice bath. After 3 more minutes, transfer the rest of the eggs into a separate ice bath. Slice scallion greens. Peel and dice the 10-minute eggs. To your diced eggs, add 1 tablespoon of sliced scallion. Then add 4 tablespoons of Japanese mayonnaise. Season with cracked pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. Stir to combine. Lightly toast your milk bread. Cut your 7-minute egg in half. Place that jammy egg with the yolk in the center of the milk bread. Spread a thick layer of egg salad around the egg. And then put that baby to bed. Trim off the crust and slice diagonally. And you're done.
Alright guys, that's it. That's how you make an egg salad sandwich. Simple, but it's delicious and tasty. See you next time. Bye!